Welcome to Tech Time with Zach. Every Tuesday, we go over different skills that business people need to be successful in a fast-paced business environment. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you can be the first to watch these videos every Tuesday. Today, we're going over how to make calculations in a pivot table. Let's get started. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at a pivot table calculated fields. So I have some data here, and I have economic activity 2018 and 2017 as my 2 years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make this into a pivot table by selecting the data and then coming up to here to insert and hit pivot table. And then I'm going to do it in a new sheet. So I'm going to hit OK. And then we'll bring economic activity down into the rows. And then we'll bring 2018 into the values here, and then we'll bring 2017 into the values as well. So let's also make this a little bigger so we can see it. And then I'm going to just do a couple formatting things. I'm going to go ahead and go to View and get rid of my grid lines, and I'm going to do freeze panes. So now you'll see here that we have, here's our economic activity. And then we have our 2018 and 2017 data. First, let's go ahead and change these to currency so we can read it a little bit easier. And we'll do the same thing for this one. And then let's say we want to do the variance between the two. So let's go ahead and we're going to come up here now that we're in the pivot table. We'll go up to pivot table analyze, and then we're going to go to the field item and sets, and we're going to click on the down arrow here, and then we're going to do calculated fields. Now this calculated field allows you to put a formula into here and make a calculation based on the fields that you have. So for the name of the field, we're going to do a variance. So I'll just put variance. And then in here, I'm going to do equals 2018 minus 2017. Now what this will do is this will take 2018 values in each of the rows, and it will subtract it from 2017. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and then you'll see it pops up right here. So here is the variance. So you'll see that the 19,96745 minus 19,92705 gives us a variance of 4040. Same thing over here for this column, 2,736.37 minus 2,581 gives us a variance of 154. So the next thing I want to do is maybe I want to see how much percentage growth we had. So in order to do that, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do field list, and we'll do calculated field, and then we'll do let's do the percent GR for percent growth. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do if error. So this will catch any errors that might happen in the division. And we're going to take the variance divided by 2017. And then we're going to do comma 0 and then close those parentheses, and we're going to hit OK. So once we hit OK, you'll see that it comes out like this. So we're going to change it to a percentage, and we're going to here we'll hit percent. We can leave it at 2 decimal places to be fine. So you'll see this was a 0.2% growth, this was 6% growth, 2.79% growth, and so on. And this is just an easy way for you guys to make calculations of your own in a pivot table utilizing the calculated field option. Now you can do anything in here. You can do most any formula in here based on the data that you have. So that's how you can use the calculated field list to make a custom formula in the pivot tables. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything that you would like me to cover, or if you have any questions on the content. Also, check out our links in the description, and I will see you next time on Tech Time with Zach.